Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make pop sockets. This is actually really easy to do, and these are two that I have to some sort of community event here, and they were handing out pop sockets. Problem is they have like the logo on them, and so my friends gave me all of their pop sockets so that I could paint them. And I already painted this one black, as you can see. Really simple to do, self-explanatory. I don't know how many steps this is going to take because I haven't planned this out at all. But I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to work with these and how you can create any kind of design or pop socket type thing that you want to do. Okay, so we're going to be working with these two right here. We're going to do some sort of galaxy theme on this one and a Paris Eiffel Tower theme on this one. And this is for my sister and my cousin, so I'm really excited to work with these and to show you guys how to do it so that you can make your own. And hopefully it's super easy. It shouldn't be a lot of steps. It should literally take you about an hour, maybe less. It shouldn't take long. I encourage you to try it and to paint your own pop socket. So let's get started. Okay, one of the first things you're going to want to do is, of course, get your pop sockets. Can you see that? Is that, no? Is that, okay. Anyway, you can get really cheap ones so that you can paint it and do whatever design that you want to do with it. And this is the one that I'm going to be working on. So this is the design that it was. I painted it black, and so now it looks like this. Pop socket, check. Okay, second thing you're going to need is paint, obviously. And because I'm doing the galaxy theme first, I'm going to be needing white, black, red, or pink, this type of pink, blue, and purple for my colors. I'm working with acrylic paint. You're free to use whatever it is you're most comfortable with. And then brushes. Duh, you need brushes in order to paint. I recommend thin brushes because you're working with a really small surface. So you're going to need some thin brushes so that you can really get those details in there and it doesn't look like a mess. This ain't gonna work. Basically, that's pretty much all you need. If you want, you can go ahead and get some water. This is my nasty water that I used for the other pop socket that I already made. But you can go ahead and get yourself some clean waters. And I mean, a phone for like the reference design that you want to do is essential as well. Maybe a pencil to sketch out. Okay, there's a lot of things that you need apparently. Once you have all those things, you're all set to go. Alright, now first things first, get your pop socket and put it in the middle of your surface or wherever you're going to be working on. Okay, so if you're doing the galaxy theme with me, you're going to want this to turn into this. This has been completely painted black. I did 2 coats just so you really can't see the logo. Alright, now let's get into the good stuff. Let's start making this look like it is a part of the galaxy. Alright, I'm going to need you to grab your colors. Obviously, you're not going to need a lot of each because you're working on a very small surface, so don't waste. I mean, you can do whatever you want. I'm not telling you what to do, but like, I recommend that you don't waste. Alright, cool. Take one of your brushes, preferably one that you really like. Go ahead and soak that in the water. Take a color. I recommend using blue first. This is really cheap paint, by the way. If you have a little sponge, that'll work too. For now, this is what we're doing. Got a little bit on my brush here. It's not soaked. It's just kind of tainted with it. And then you're gonna dab your pop socket like so. Do you see? Are you washing? Again, if you have a sponge of some sort, a small sponge, that might work too. So you can go ahead and start in one area. Make it a little big. Don't cover the whole thing. Remember, you really want to see that black coming through. Again, don't fill your brush with paint. You don't want it to be that opaque. Not yet. I don't even know if that's the right word. But go ahead and dab it in different areas. Maybe connect it like that, like you would see in like the sky and stuff. Or in pictures at least. Alright, now it looks a little freaky. Looks cool. Alright, this is what you got so far. This is what yours should look like in whatever color you chose to do. Next, I recommend purple. Again, you only need a little bit. You don't even have to like clean your brush off. It kind of looks cool when the blue and purple mesh together. Maybe overlap on that blue a little bit. Yeah, you don't need a lot. Alright. That looks pretty cool. Can you guys see that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Hello, galaxy. This is so cool. Alright, now let's go for pink. Go for pink! Alright, take some of that pink. You might want to wash it off if you want, but I'm not going to, so. Just because you don't want that pink to be too dark, but you don't want it to be bright. Well, it's going to be bright anyway, but like, do what you can. Alright? Don't go too crazy. Don't go too crazy. A little bit in random spots. Maybe some spots that you haven't been before. Alright, looking good, looking good. This is what we got so far. If you want to go back in there with black, it might work a little too. Or if you want to go back in there with another color because you feel like it doesn't shine through too much, you can do that. Again, don't overdo it. Don't overdo any of these. If you're happy with what you've created, which I am, then one of the final and most funnest steps is to add the white, which is going to be the stars and all that jazz. So you really do need to wipe off your paintbrush for this one. There's a couple ways to go about this. I'm going to show you the ways that you can possibly do this. So the first way is to get like a really pointed brush like that with a thin and stiff top like this. Go ahead and add the little dots for the stars yourself. It's a little time consuming, but you do get to like do whatever you want, and it does come out the exact way you want it to be. Alright, so that's one way to do it. It's still fun and all, but like, it's not the same. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna get you guys closer so you can really see this action right here. Give me a minute, alright? Chill out. Get down. God. These are the manual dots that I made. We're about to get funky with it. Hold up. Now, you fill up your paint brush with a dollop of paint and a little bit of water. Don't go too crazy because then you're just gonna be watery. And then you add those sparks. Ah! It's okay, I'll fix that later. That's what's great about paint. You can always fix it. Alright! And this is my recommended way of doing it, because then look how that turns out. Oh, ignore that white spot, okay guys? Just ignore that for now. But this is incredible. Like, look at that. And then you got your galaxy looking Popsocket. It's pretty cool. Alright, now I'm going to fix that spot. It's annoying me. There we go. All fixed. Now it is perfect. I know it looks exactly like my desk, but my desk is kind of galaxy themed anyway, so it's kind of cool. Alright, that is how you paint a Popsocket galaxy themed. And you still got the button in the back, or the sticker in the back, so that it still works 100%. It's completely gonna work, and it's creative, and you did it yourself, so that's kind of awesome. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. If you want me to do more weird things like this, I can totally show you guys how to paint pretty much anything. I'm gonna leave that there. This one's gonna be a little bit more complicated because my sister's complicated and she wants complicated stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and tell me how you guys' Popsockets come out so that I can see them. And yeah, so thanks for watching guys. Bye. Dang, what the heck was that?